Welcome back to End Time and Kingdom's Gospel channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest disaster updates and breaking news from around the world. Let's get into today's report. This incident happened on April 27, 2026 in Pakistan. On April 27, thunderstorms and gale force winds hit several regions of Pakistan amid intense heat. In the south of the country, in Sindh province and border areas of Balochistan, the stormy weather caused destruction and injuries. In the districts of Jafrabad, Jacobabad, and the surrounding areas, strong winds and rain damaged homes and infrastructure, injuring at least 9 people. Power outages and flooding were reported. Meanwhile, in Tharpaka district near Islamkot, a major fire destroyed the village of Godya. Approximately 30 houses were destroyed, at least 15 livestock perished, and residents lost their property. The cause of the fire has not been officially determined. In other districts of Sindh, including Sakka and Shikarpur, lightning strikes during thunderstorms caused fires in date palm groves. In Punjab, a tragic incident was also reported. A lightning strike in the 27 Chak Gulwala area killed a man. This incident happened on April 27, 2026 in Syria. On April 27, worsening weather conditions in Syria led to widespread damage in several regions of the country. The most serious situation developed in rural areas of the Homs province. Early Monday morning, powerful mudflows, which formed in the Hissia district after heavy rainfall the previous day, rushed toward the city of Al-Qusayr. The disaster damaged approximately 200 dwms of farmland, including crops and fruit trees. The Al-Gaida and Al-Sabal roads were partially and completely blocked. In the Hama province, a child died as a result of flooding, and a collapsed culvert closed the Atriaraka road and damaged vehicles. In the Aleppo region, several villages were flooded due to rising water levels in the Al-Siha dam. Mudflows and landslides have completely blocked the strategically important Damascus-Ez-Zor route, disrupting transport links between the capital and the country's eastern regions.
MashaAllah.
This incident happened on April 27, 2026 in Moscow region, Russia. On April 27, the Moscow region experienced a heavy April snowfall, which had widespread consequences. In the past 24 hours, 1921 precipitation fell in the capital, more than half the monthly average. Snow depth in Moscow reached 12 cm, setting a record for April 27th throughout the entire period of observation, while in the Moscow region, it exceeded 10 cm. The severe weather was accompanied by strong winds with gusts of up to 25 ns and heavy wet snow, which toppled approximately 200 trees in the region. They fell on cars, sidewalks, and in some cases, on pedestrians. In several areas of the Moscow region, including the Dmitrovsky district, down power lines led to power outages in approximately 50 communities. The storm seriously disrupted transportation. Dozens of flights were delayed at Vnukovo airport.
Погодка, конечно, мы обратимся.
This incident happened on April 27, 2026 in Negeri Sembilan and Kedah, Malaysia. Strong storms with gusty winds and torrential rains battered the states of Kedah and Negeri Sembilan, causing damage to homes, government buildings and schools. Trees were uprooted and toppled onto roads. The Pendang district was particularly hard hit, with at least 11 schools damaged. The most severe damage was reported at SK Haji Muhammad Arif Primary School, where the classrooms were severely damaged, forcing approximately 600 students to switch to distance learning. A total of 1,182 students were affected by the storm in Pendang, including students from MRSM Pendang. Schools in other districts of Kedah also sustained damage, including in Kulim Bandar Baru and Kota Seta. Most of the damage was attributed to roof failures caused by strong winds. According to preliminary reports, there are no casualties or injuries. Authorities plan to quickly allocate emergency funding for recovery efforts. That's it for today's update. As we watch the signs of
Habis noh.
this message shared the story, hit that subscribe button and join the Ninununglam community. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss an update on the Kedah possible. Check out this next video to keep growing in the world. And until next time, stay watchful, stay faithful, and keep preaching the good news. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.